Ever wondered how deep we can see? Not just cells, not just molecules, but the hidden world of quantum reality. Welcome to quantum microscopy. Back in the day, we looked through a lens. Light hits matter and the image begins. But classical physics drew a hard line. Diffraction and noise said this is the limit in time. Then quantum mechanics entered the room, where particles dance in a probabilistic tune. States overlap in superposition space. Information hidden in a quantum embrace. Photons entangled, connected in flight. Two distant particles sharing one light. Signals once buried in classical noise now rise to the surface through quantum poise. When light behaves in a quantum way, a brand new window starts to display. More precision, more detail inside. The smallest structures revealed by light. Quantum microscopy, deeper than before. Looking through matter to the quantum core. Entanglement, superposition in play. Science pushing boundaries every day. Quantum microscopy, vision refined. Seeing the structure of space and time. From atoms to fields in the nanoscale. See the future of emerging quantum microscopy. Squeeze light low as the noise in the game. Measurement sharper than ever became. Photons moving in a delicate flow, revealing the patterns we wanted to know. Diamond sensors with quantum spin detect tiny fields deep within. Magnetic signals and temperature trace measured with precision in microscopic space. Biology studies the life of a cell. Materials reveal where quantum defects dwell. From nanostructures to quantum devices, new discoveries come with quantum surprises. When classical limits begin to fall, a deeper layer appears for us all. The universe hidden in structures so small. Quantum light answering nature's call. Quantum microscopy, deeper than before. Looking through matter to the quantum core. Entanglement and superposition in play. Science pushing boundaries every day. Quantum microscopy, clarity achieved. Seeing the world once believed unseen. From atoms to energy fields we can see the power of vision. Quantum microscopy.